These are key limes from the Florida Keys, and we're going to make a key lime pie. Let's start with our prep work. First, zest your limes. Make sure to use long strokes to get bigger pieces of zest. Next, you're going to juice all your limes. Key limes are not very juicy, so this will all yield about half a cup of lime juice. Next, we're going to make our graham cracker crust. This is a good opportunity to take out the day's frustration. So you're going to take 250 grams of graham crackers and put them into a plastic bag and just smash away. So once all your crumbs are smashed, you're going to put them in a bowl and add in 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar and a little bit of salt, and just whisk that up. And then next you're going to add in 3/4 of a cup melted butter. So when you mix this together, it should be the consistency of wet sand. Next, you're going to bake this in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. While the crust is baking, let's make the pie filling. You're going to whisk together 4 egg yolks, and then you're going to add in a teaspoon of lime zest, and then you're going to add in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, making sure that you whisk it all very thoroughly. And then you're going to whisk in your lime juice. Once you've added in all your pie filling, you're going to put it into the oven for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just took this out of the oven, so it should still be a little jiggly when you take it out. So we're going to let this cool on the countertop, and then we're going to let it cool even further overnight in the refrigerator. So next we're going to make some whipped cream for the pie. So what you're going to do is take some heavy whipping cream, a little bit of vanilla paste, and a little bit of powdered sugar. And you're going to use this type of whisk to start whisking everything together. This will take probably a couple of minutes for everything to come together, but you'll notice it coming together and turning into whipped cream. Alright, so it's starting to thicken up. So I'd say about 5-10 more minutes. Right. So here it is. It's whipped cream. Now we're decorate.